I'm a little worried when I leave my RV parked out somewhere, even if it's in storage. I know in winter we have to take our batteries out, but I see some batteries going walkabout nowadays.
Oh, all the time. It's been really bad the last couple of years in Calgary. Problem is the price of lead. Lead is so high that guys are willing to buy scrap batteries for $30. So we've had all sorts of RV batteries going missing. The standard floodeds are what we have to put outside. They go on the A-frame of your trailer. They're in the wide open, anybody can see them, and they're easy to access, especially if you're storing on your driveway, on your street, in your backyard. I mean, a guy can be in and out and have your batteries in under 4 minutes. We've been scrambling to find a cost-effective option that guys like me and you can afford, and we found a good one. Now what this does, this goes completely around the battery box, and it locks the battery box down to your A-frame so they can't get it off. No, I mean, with enough time and a grinding wheel, anyone can get through it, but I mean, we're trying to turn this into a 20-minute project from a 4-minute project. On the steel itself, it's contoured to match a box, so you can't just pull it off the side. I mean, if a guy really wants to, you can bolt it through the base and leave it on there, but most of the time, you can't get them off when they're on there. It comes with a shielded padlock, and the reason why we use a shielded padlock is we don't want them to be able to get in with bolt cutters real quick. We want them to work at this. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the hinge open, set it over the box, and put the lock through. We have these in stock at our dealership for all the different battery box sizes.
So it's a good insurance policy, because let's face it, your batteries are not covered by insurance.
You bet. It's not worth it a lot of the time. But it's a cheap insurance policy that's going to make sure they're there when you're ready to go camping, because you're only going to find out your batteries are missing when you're trying to leave.